What's up, guys? How you doing today? Right now we're up at Snowbird in Utah, enjoying some turns. Got some beautiful snow going on here, but I just want to take 1 second of your time and share with you something that I use every day now when I'm on the slopes. So if you're ever worried that you're going to drop your phone off the ski lift or even some gloves like I have, you're going to start to take caution. So for the longest time, I don't know why I didn't do that with my phone, but the good people at Hangtime sent me this thing called the Koala. So this thing pretty much wraps around any smartphone that you have. It goes around it using these little rubber band clips on the end, and it pretty much fits any single phone. Let's just say you're on the lift, you want to take a couple pictures, and let's say you drop it. Oh, but thank God you got the Koala, so your phone didn't drop at all, and you're not that guy on the lift that has to ask other people down below you to hang on to your stuff or wait at the top of the lift for your things to come up. I love using this thing. It stays with me the entire day, whether I'm just waiting in the ski line, taking a few pictures. This thing has really fit the bill for what I love to do on the ski slope. So if you check out down below, I actually left an affiliated link. That link may not mean a lot to you, but for me, I get a little bit of revenue if you choose to go that route and use the link to purchase one of these. Also, if you use the coupon code EXPLORER2021, you'll get 20% off your orders today. So go online, you guys, check this thing out. It's worth its weight in gold. And I'm telling you, you won't have any troubles with your phone on a ski lift ever again.